If your GMC Acadia won't start, the issue is often related to the battery, starter, or security system. Statistics show that over 70% of no-start issues are simply due to a dead battery or loose connections. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to pinpoint the culprit. Always start by checking your battery terminals for corrosion and ensuring they are tight before moving to electronic diagnostics. A failed starter motor will often give you a single click, whereas an ignition switch failure might leave the dash completely dark. Don't overlook the alternator or fuel pump, especially if the engine cranks vigorously but refuses to catch. Simple tasks like cleaning terminals can be done at home, but internal engine or ECU issues almost always require a professional. Costs vary significantly, with battery replacement being the most affordable starting point for your repair budget. If basic checks fail, use a multimeter to perform a load test on the battery or check the starter relay functionality. Keep a basic socket set and a reliable multimeter on hand, as they are essential for safely troubleshooting modern electrical systems. Remember that safety is your top priority, so always disconnect the negative battery cable before performing any electrical work. Thanks for watching. If these steps didn't help, it's time to consult a professional mechanic. Like and subscribe for more.